Hey there PCA members, it's Boo Quinn here. I'm getting ready to meet Claude Leglise, president of the Golden Gate region, and his wife Cindy, and we're going to make one of their members very happy today. We're going to go out and surprise Doris Reed in the San Francisco area. She is the winner of the 2007 PCA member only raffle. So, you guys excited about this?
Yeah, very exciting.
Well,
Very exciting. Twice in a row.
twice in a row. There's something in the water here in the Golden Gate region. Last year, Greg Adams won the 2006 raffle, and this year it'll be Doris's turn to win. Hi, I'm Boo Quinn. Delivery for you. I'm with the Porsche Club of America.
Oh, the Porsche Club of America.
Come on out here real quick. Come on up.
What?
Is that your tiny turbo down there?
Yes.
Do you remember filling this out?
Ruby. Did I win? I thought it was. I thought they were just bringing me flowers, and they brought me. And here's the cameras. Oh my God! But my hair is cold. And you put. Oh my God! I can't believe it. Oh no. I don't know.
That wraps up the 2007 PCA member only raffle. Thanks to all that participated. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.